In this video, I am going to show you how you can apply for an AI job and how you can get that job before application, the site that you're going to get that job, and how you're going to go about it, how to know the kind of jobs that the site has, the experience, the skills that are needed, or maybe some other jobs do not need skills. So welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you watch this video because I'm going to take you through this AI platform. I'm going to show you how you can apply for these jobs, the requirements, country eligibility, what is needed for you to be able to apply this job. So stay tuned, guys, and make sure that you like this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Watch this video to an end because I am going to show you everything one by one from the start and what you really need for these jobs. And just note that these jobs you are looking for, you don't have to be someone who is skilled in order to do these jobs. These AI jobs, most of them, they only need, you know, very little experience. Like now, this is an AI training job in 2026. Remote roles pay and no experience. That from this platform, this platform is called Cursive AI. Cursive AI do not need experience in order for you to do this remote job. So I'm going to take you through everything that you need. So it was published on March 2026, updated on June 4th, 2026, 18. So 18th. So compare remote AI training jobs in 2026. Data annotation, RLHF, prompt evaluation, coding trainer, roles pay ranges, uh, skills and non-experienced paths. So they have the experienced paths and non-experienced paths. So if you're someone who is not experienced, you can also still get the jobs. So this is the quick answer. Compare remote AI training jobs in 2026, data annotation, blah, 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 no experience path. So the best for understanding AI career impacts and realistic skills, path standing article, takeaway into portfolio, jobs or side hustle steps, choosing practical AI skills to practice. So before you apply for a job, make sure that you check everything, what they need, how they do it, So you can do that. So as I am going to take you through this, let us look at it. So after you have read everything here to know, like now, entry path, base AI training jobs by entry paths, no experience. This entry path, no experience, strong writer, developer, bilingual, domain expert, technical ML path, and you see data annotation, no experience, data annotation, chatbot QA, search evaluation, accuracy, patience, written English, and pay lower but easiest to start. You see, like this one, you can actually try it out. So let us for start, just click on the start and it will bring you here. What you're going to do, you're going to see 28-day AI certificate program. How would you describe yourself? I work for myself or I work for a company. You can actually click on the whichever that you want. More than 2 million people joined Causative to master AI. You see? So as you can see, this one is a best fit roles and typical requirements. So this one is RLHF reviewer, prompt writer, AI content editor, writing samples and judgment only. Coding AI trainer, code evaluator, test case writer, real programming ability. So just come here. So These are the kind of questions. What jobs can you do with AI training? More than most people expect, the umbrella term AI training jobs covers everything from clicking thumbs up, thumbs down on chatbot response to deeply technical work. So you just come here and how to get into AI training jobs with no experience. And then you're going to read everything here. Guys, I'm not going to tell you that you're going to get paid like this amount of money. No. The first thing, you have to learn how things are done. After learning how things are done, that is when you are going to, to get into something like how much does this pay. But don't run into how much this job pay, and maybe you don't have even so the honest answer, that start your AI career paths with annotation, data annotation, and RLF, HF reinforcement, learning from human feedback. Oh, that is the RLHF. Review roles are the classic entry points. They require attention to detail and good judgment more than any specific credentials. Platforms like Scale AI, Remote Task, and happen regularly on board people with no prior experience and provide their own training. Like, you don't have to have an experience to do these AI jobs. The key for finding remote AI jobs, no experience, is building a portfolio fast. You see, you build your portfolio fast. Even 30 to 40 hours of documented annotation work on a public platform can open doors for higher paying roles. You see, you have to learn something fast. If you open an AI, platform that is hiring, make sure to read these kind of things. Do not go to where the money is, no, make sure that you do this thing first. So if you're starting from zero, build the basics first with AI courses for beginners. Then compare the wider entry level options in remote AI jobs with no experience for flexible schedule around caregiving. Also review remote jobs for stay at home moms. Yes, so you can click on review jobs for stay at home moms, and you click on that, and you're going to see the jobs that they have for stay at home moms. So these are remote jobs for stay at home moms in 2026. So you can come here and check the kind of jobs that you can do as a stay at home mother. Compare remote job for stay at home moms in 2026. Roles, AI job skills, pay ranges, schedules, scam, and how to start. So you see, so best for understanding AI career impact and realistic paths. So you can check on that. So these are the roles, the category beginners friendly roles. So as you can see, pay range is $4 to $44 per hour. And also here, creative and content. You can do this. All of us, I think, I think all of us, we are content creators. They have three roles. They pay $20 to $18. Who it's for? Writers, designers, visual thinkers. And this one here, the beginners friendly, it is for like no experience needed. And as you can see, we have business, marketing, and growth. They have four roles, 25 to $250, some professional experience. This one needs professional. So profession. So you see, you can click on whichever one that suits you. Operations, admin, and coordination. They have three roles. Pay range is this one that you see here. Organizational skills. This one needs a skill. And also tech adjacent. You see, this is the pay range, and the who can do it, comfortable learning software. So this one is a skilled one. Finance, they have two roles, $18 to $60, numbers oriented certification path. You see, scalable and A business level, 6 roles. You see, this is the amount. Entrepreneurial longer ramp. So these are the jobs for the stay at home mothers. These are the things that you can actually do while you are in the comfort of your home. So guys, what I can tell you is that you can do this, you can do this. So AI tools, ChatGPT, AI comparison, productivity, career advice, all articles, everything under one thing. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on the start. After clicking on the start, you are going to come here. After clicking on the start, and you're going to see how they are going to tell you, and after that you're going to know if you can apply for this job. And if you don't have whatever they want, they are also offering, they can teach you. And yeah, that is how you can get to know how these jobs are done and how you can actually do this job. So thank you so much for watching this video.